हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देख रहे हैं स्टैंडर्ड 8 का इंग्लिश बाल भारती 4.5 अ बैटल टू बैफल इस लेसन इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेकर। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, रीड द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स एंड यूज देम इन सेंटेंस ऑफ योर ओन। आंसर, ये वर्ड जो दिए गए हैं सेंटेंस में यूज करके यहाँ पे सेंटेंस राइट करने हैं। देखो फर्स्ट, renowned Emperor Krishnadev had won great renown on all over India. Defiance, our school principal was old enough to take up the rest of defiance at the interstate level elocution competition. King of Emperor was used to exile people who disobeyed them in court. Many were thus exiled. Predicament. My father always managed to find the solution when they faced some predicament or the other. Diffident. All the math students were diffident when the math scholar from Delhi decided to compete with us. Benign. All the teachers in our school are kind and benign. Question 2. Read the following phrases and use them in the sentence of your own in proper form. ये हमें प्रॉपर फॉर्म में राइट करने हैं। देखो आंसर है यहाँ पे, wise something. The mother wanted to wise her fears but could not do so. A tight corner. Birbal could always manage to get himself out of a tight corner. Outwit. Birbal could outwit all the ministers in the palace. Concede defeat. The captain had to concede defeat when his army began to turn back. Question 3. Pick out dialogues of Tenali Raman that prove that he had the following qualities. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है विट एंड विजडम। ये किस सेंटेंस में देखो, सो दिस इज द तिला कष्टा महिषा बंधना। सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. लेट अस बिगिन बाय डिस्कसिंग द मेरिट्स ऑफ तिला कष्टा बंधना. Politeness. I am at your service. Your highness, your wish is my command. Humility. Our word of phrase are my greatest reward, your highness. Question 4. Answer the following question in short. उसमें what was पंडित शाहनी claim as a scholar? Pandit Shahane claim as scholar was that he had mastered all the scriptures. Why did Pandit Shahane visit Vijayanagar? Answer. Pandit Shahane visit Vijayanagar to challenge the knowledge of all the Pandits in the kingdom. What do you learn about Pandits of Vijayanagar? The Pandits of Vijayanagar were frightened and nervous when their knowledge was changed. They were insecure and did not have confidence in themselves. Question D. What punishment did the emperor threaten the Pandits with? The punishment that the emperor threatened the Pandits with was that they could be exiled from Vijayanagar. Why was Tenali Raman summoned to the court? Answer. Tenali Raman was summoned to the court to find a solution to the predicament. On what condition did Tenali Raman agree to take up the challenge? Answer. The condition put forward by Tenali Raman was that when Pandit Shahane arrived the next day, everybody had to accept the honor him, Tenali Raman, as a chief Pandit for one day. Question G. Why was Tenali Raman taken to the court in a palanquin? Tenali Raman probably wanted to impress and frighten Pandit Shahane, and hence we went to the court in a palanquin. How did Tenali Raman outwit Pandit Shahane? Answer. Tenali Raman put his hand on the herb bundles next to him and pretend that is contained and scripture Tila Kashta Mahisha, Bandhan, and he wanted to discuss some merits. He was a fact only mentioning what bundle contained. However, the Pandit thought he was referring to some scripture that he had never even heard of and hence could not discuss its merits. He immediately gave up, thus Tenali Raman outwitted him. Question I. What did the bundle in second clothes contain? Answer. Bundle of second clothes contain sesame sticks tied with coarse rope. Question है explain the significance of the title. The title, A Battle of Baffle, shows that Tenali Raman had decided on his composed word to make everyone feel lost. The battle was not about scripture, but if the opponent could find out what the word actually meant, such battles are more difficult to face than literally battles. Question 5. Fill in the elements that you find in the drama script of A Battle of Baffle. Character, background scene, crisis, steps taken to resolve his crisis, climax, the end. तो यहाँ पे कैरेक्टर फर्स्ट दिया गया है, उसके बाद है बैकग्राउंड सीन, उसके बाद क्रिसिस, स्टेप्स टेकन टू सॉल्व दिस क्रिसिस, क्लाइमैक्स और द एंड. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अभी. Do as directed. Make sure you do not change the meaning and tense of the sentence. तो ये क्वेश्चन है. Rewrite using as witty as. देखो, Pandit Shahane was not as witty as Tenali Raman. अभी ये क्वेश्चन है, इसका हमें क्या करना है? Combine the two sentences using so. Combine the same sentence using because. Pandit Shahane wishes to changes all the Pandits in our so he has come here. उसके बाद पंडित शाहने has become here because he wishes to challenge all the Pandits in our kingdom. Make is assertive. ये assertive बनाना है हमें. I want to know how I can discuss all its merits. अभी rewrite using unaware. Unaware rewrite करना है. आंसर है I am unaware of that scripture. Begin the sentence with no other. No other sentence begin करना है. No other word but your word of praise are my greatest reward. Rewrite using the noun form of the underlined word. Noun form करना है. देखो, I have great pride on regarding you. Convert into indirect speech. इसका indirect speech करना है. The emperor told Raman to tell him what great work he was referring to. Punctuate. इसके punctuation mark देना है इस sentence में. तो देखो, इसको punctuate कर दिया है. Next question. इसको भी punctuate कर देना है. तो देखो, ये punctuate कर दिया है. Next question. Question 7. A past student of our school has cleared his UPSC examination and being as IAS officer has been appointed the collector of our district. Write a formal letter to invite him to our school to share the story of his success at a special function. तो ये लेटर राइट कर दिया गया है. नेक्स्ट पेज पे भी है कुछ लेटर. देखो, यहाँ तक मैंने दे दिया है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन 8. अंडरस्टैंड द quotation and explain it in a paragraph format. Pride goes on horseback but return on foot. तो ये है आंसर. पॉज करके राइट कर लो. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 8वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.